Welcome back to the shop. Today I'm going to make some zero clearance inserts for my table saw. I've been thinking about making some inserts for a while, and the thing that has deterred me is the fact that the material these are made out of is quite thin. It's less than 1/10 of an inch thick. So I was thinking, could I really make them out of wood? And that's what I'm going to attempt to do. I ripped a piece of wood. This is just some pine. This is actually a little bit thinner than it needs to be. And it's got quite a bit of flex. It doesn't seem like it will break too easily. And I think it'll be okay because really when you're pushing stuff along here, there's not a whole lot of weight from the stock that's pressing down on this. And I can also reinforce it in the middle section. It only needs to be this thick in the outer section. So my thinking is that I'll rip pieces like this and then reinforce them with a block on the bottom side that will prevent the blade from just tearing that piece apart, and will also add some stiffness to it. Like I said before, I was thinking that I would have to put some sort of backer behind this to support this material because it's rather thin. But it's actually pretty stiff. I suppose because it doesn't have very wide that it actually needs to span. So I think it'll be alright, and I can always add some pieces underneath at a later time. If you've made your own zero clearance inserts, let me know what tips you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Take care.